Hi Engineering Janta, I am Vaibhav Shukla and today we are going to talk about how to grab a winter internship this winter season. There are multiple winter internship opportunities which are right now active in the market. But how to crack them? Which companies are actually offering these internships? And why these winter internships are so important? All these questions would be answered in today's video for you. So stay glued till the end. Also, I'll be providing you the list of companies as well, which are hiring right now for the winter internship opportunities. So stay tuned further. Without wasting any of your time, I'll be giving you a sneak peek of what's ahead. So I'll be covering key details about winter internships. I'll be telling you the prerequisites that you need for a good winter internship. Why these winter internships matter so much. I'll be covering this as well. And I'll be providing you in the last the companies list which are currently hiring. Okay. So before I dive in further, join our communities and never miss an update about hiring. On Instagram channel, on LinkedIn, we post various opportunities through which you can elevate your placement journey. Also, you can ping us on WhatsApp as well as on Telegram and you can stay connected with us for the further opportunities as well. What are the key details about winter internships? Winter internships are typically of 6 to 8 weeks. The duration lasts between 6 to 8 weeks. And these are very short-term commitments with the companies or with any of the organizations. What benefit does it actually offer? Using Pareto principle, it is the 20% of time in which you do the 80% of your work, and in the 80% of time you do the 20% of work. So deliberately, the duration is compressed so that your performance and learning curve is vertical. It elevates faster. So this is the particular benefit which winter internships offer frequently. Vertical learning curves are something that provide you an immediate impetus in your career. Also, there is a lot of hands-on learning while internships. I've stressed enough in multiple videos. You can go and see my lives on YouTube. I have always stressed that internships are something where you actually do the hands-on learning in your skills. You hone your professional competencies. So this is a place for hands-on learning, so you shouldn't miss out on them. Mentorship and guidance. Some seniors, some leading experts from industry who are actually working on real-time problems would be guiding you throughout the project assigned to you. So mentorship and guidance is something which is valuable insight provided in winter internships. Also, these mentors, these seniors give you a bunch of network or bunch of people who can provide you a next step elevation in your careers. Imagine yourself 2 years after your degree where you have these connections, and with these connections, if there is a better opportunity in some other organization, you can easily transition to that organization. Okay. Also, tackling complex problems. When you are actually working on real-time industry problems, it becomes quite easy for you to tackle those problems, and often you learn a lot while tackling those problems. So it is really good if you land up into a winter internships. But the question of the millennium, how do we do it? So the ways to do it go from the prerequisites. First is data structures and algorithms. DSA is something you cannot miss if you are targeting the domains of software engineering in various companies. Okay, so you need to be thorough with DSA. You have to build your coding problem skills, your problem solving skills exceptional. You need to have wonderful skills in data structure and algorithms so that you can easily crack the coding rounds of the internship interviews. Okay. Also, for you people, I have been planning a series of DSA videos where I'll be covering end-to-end DSA for you, even the problem solving as well as the basic concepts part, and it will be free of cost on YouTube because my motive is your learning and nothing else. You need to build some good projects. Why good projects are essential? They basically tell that what level of skills do you possess and can industry take you into their organization and elevate your skills further for the professional competencies. Simple. For this as well, I have planned a video and it will be rolling out very soon where I'll be telling you which good projects can immediately push your resume into the top contenders for the internships. Okay. ATS friendly resume, I can't stress enough on it. I have made a separate live on how to build a good ATS friendly resume. You guys can go and watch it. If your score is above 80, and this is for internships only, if you're targeting for placements, it should be above 90. But if you're somebody who's going for an internship opportunity, above 80 score is a wonderful score to go. Why so? Internship opportunities above 80 are usually a very decent resume with good projects, as it is mentioned here. Okay, so this is something, if fulfilled, you can be in the top 1% people who are actually applying for internships. Okay, so you should never miss out on them. Now, why winter internships matter so much? One is you gain real world experience. Nothing beats the hands-on experience that you get into the industry, and internships only provide you that. So this is something you cannot miss at all. Build a network. As I said, these seniors, the people who have just joined or the people who are with you in the internship, are actually the network which will elevate you to a next level, right? It is always the peers who make sure that you elevate in your career. So definitely network will provide you an edge over the other competitors that you're having in the market. Explore career paths. Why it is so important, or why it is so necessary to do internships, is because actually you get to know which domains you like or which you don't. It is a short-term commitment. It is not a long-term duration for the winter internship. So you'll realize which particular skills you enjoy being into or which particular skills are not for you at all. Okay, so this is something you can explore a lot in internships. It enhances your resume. Internships immediately add weight to your resume. So internships can provide a boost in your ATS score while you craft your resume. Okay. Securing future job opportunities. PPOs are very frequent in winter internships. So you need to apply as fast as you can, because it can be a quasi job guarantee. Quasi means partial job guarantee. Okay, so there's a high chance that your internship translates into a full-time opportunity with a PPO, pre-placement offer. So this is something that is the reason for which usually people don't miss on these opportunities. Summarizing it all, your internships are basically equal to your success. So your internships are definitely necessary, and these winter internships can be a wonderful experience where you can go. Now, this is the list of companies. As I promised, I'm giving you the list of companies which are actually active right now with the winter internship opportunities. You'll find the link to apply for these job postings in the description box. You can simply go and check out that, and then you can land up in one of the wonderful internships if you follow the roadmap provided by me earlier. Remember one thing: keep on working hard, keep on doing good, keep on spreading the knowledge. Good comes back to you. Okay, so stay updated with these channels so that you never miss a hiring update, which is actually important for your career. And top 3 comments today get Prep Insta Prime free. So go ahead, comment things, and you can easily find yourself in a very good company.